Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, job opportunities from different companies. Work location is AP and Hyderabad, so we will discuss complete details in this video. Before going into a main content, small request to the viewers, those who are visiting channel for a first time, our channel provides all latest job updates time to time, so please do subscribe channel. First, Varun Motors Private Limited Company. They are hiring for different positions. Sales executive, any graduates can apply for this position, salary 20,000. Team leaders, any graduates can apply, salary 25,000. Evaluators, True Value, ITI diploma, mechanical candidates are eligible, salary 15,000. Cashier, any graduates can apply, 12,000 salary. Technician, mechanics, ITI and diesel mechanic, motor mechanic, vocational automobile candidates are eligible, salary 11,000. Service advisor, diploma in automobile, mechanical candidates are eligible, salary 12,000. Service advisor, diploma in automobile or mechanical candidates are eligible, salary 12,000. Painters and denters, ITI you done in any trade, you can apply for this position, salary 10,000. When we come to age limit criteria, 20 to 35 years candidates are eligible for this position. So, please do refer once for age limit. Interview procedure includes technical round and HR round. Job location is Vijayanagaram. Male candidates are eligible for this position. Candidates who are going to apply for sales executive, team leader positions, they need to have valid driving license and two-wheeler. Interested candidates can apply for this position viewers. I am going to provide link in description. Next job opportunity from Wipro Infrastructure Engineer, Hindupur. They are hiring for trainee for production and quality control department viewers. Company providing transportation facility, subsidized food also. Interview procedure includes technical round and HR round. Candidates who have completed diploma mechanical automobile can apply for this position. Salary is 13,000. Work location Hindupur. Male candidates are eligible, freshers below 25 years candidates are eligible for this position. Overall we had 30 positions. Interested candidates can apply for this position. Next job opportunity from Kia Motors. They are hiring production department trainee positions. Any diploma candidates can apply for this position, 2015 to 2020 passed outs. Male candidates are eligible, 18 to 25 years candidates are eligible for this position. For selected candidates, salary is 15,000 per month. Overall we had 100 vacancies. Interview procedure includes online test, technical round, HR round. Interview date 18th March 2021. Reporting time 9 AM. In the following link we need to register. I am going to provide link in description. Through link you can register and you can attend walk-in interview. Company providing subsidized canteen food, subsidized transport from specified limited areas, uniform and medical insurance, 14 days accommodation. Interested candidates can apply for this position. I am going to provide link in description. Next job notification from Jayaberi Group. Qualification to apply for this particular position. Candidates who have completed ITI diploma, any degree, BTech mechanical only can apply for this position. Job designations are executives and supervisory positions. Only male candidates are eligible. Date of interview is 23rd March 2021. Reporting time 10 AM. Job location Srikakulam. Venue also they clearly mentioned in the notification. We had totally 45 positions. Age limit criteria includes 18 years to 30 years candidates are eligible for this position. For selected candidates, salary is 15,000 per month. Interested candidates can apply for this position by clicking apply now button here. I am going to provide link in description. Through link you can register and attend walk-in interview. Next job notification from Hetero Drugs. They are hiring different role viewers. Trainee under production department. Candidates who have completed BSc, BCom, BA candidates are eligible for this positions, 2016 to 20 passed outs. Total we had 100 position, salary 11,000 per month. Next trainee under QA QC R&D department, MSc Analytical, Organic Chemistry candidates can apply for this position. 2016 to 20 passed outs, salary 1,80,000 per annum, 50 positions. Next, engineering department, we had trainee positions, ITI fitter candidates can apply for this position. We had 50 positions, salary 10,000 plus 200 rupees bonus, only male candidates are eligible. 18 years to 28 years candidates are eligible for this position. Interview procedure includes face-to-face interview, conducting walk-in interview on 19th March 2021, reporting time 10 am, benefits company providing PF and ESI, attendance allowances 1000 rupees, night shift allowances 1000 rupees, and as well as production allowances 500, yearly bonus 16,800. So, interested candidates can attend walk-in interview. Work location is Hyderabad, with Xerox copies of resumes, qualification certificates, Aadhaar card and PAN card in the following address. I am going to provide link in description. First register and you need to attend walk-in interviews. And next, job notification from Tech Mahindra, work from home jobs, recruitment drive for customer support associate position, interview date 13th March 2021, reporting time 9 am onwards. Any diploma, any graduates, postgraduates can apply for this position. 2015 to 20 passed outs, we had 100 positions. Male and female candidates are eligible for this position. Interview procedure includes group discussion and HR interview. Laptop, desktop is mandatory with good internet connectivity after you are selected in the job. Interested candidates can attend walk-in interview in the following address. Before attending a walk-in interview, you need to register in the link which I am going to provide in description. Next, job notification from Navata Road Transport. They are hiring for 2 different roles. First, hub supervisor, minimum qualification is inter, salary 9,000, 20 vacancies, work location Visakhapatnam and Rajahmundry. Next, business developer position, any graduates can apply for this position. 5 vacancies are there, work location Visakhapatnam, Srikakulam and Vijayanagaram, salary is based on previous experience. Interview rounds includes face-to-face interview, candidate must be attended our head office. Document requires all educational documents, Xerox copies and as well as bank account statement, Aadhaar card, 4 passport size photographs are necessary. Interested candidates can attend walk-in interview on 16th March 2021. Reporting time is 10 am. Next, job opportunity from Tech Mahindra, work from home jobs, customer support associate, same qualification viewers, diploma, graduates, any postgraduates can apply for this position. We had 100 vacancies, 2015 to 20 batch can apply for this position. Male and female candidates, interview procedure includes group discussion and HR round. For selected candidates, laptop, desktop with good internet connection is mandatory if you are selected in the interview. Interview date is 14th March 2021, reporting time is 9 am. So, interested candidates can attend walk-in interview in the following address. Registration link I am going to provide in the description. Through link, once you register, you can attend walk-in interview. Viewers, next job opportunity from Walmart, hiring floor associate position, SSC, Inter, any degree candidates can attend this interview viewers, which is going to held on 15th March 2021. Interview procedure includes only HR round. Job location is Srinagar, Gajuwaka, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Salary is 1,35,000 per annum plus incentives, double wage on public holidays. We had 50 vacancies. Age limit criteria is 18 years to 30 years candidates are eligible for this position. On 15th March, you can attend walk-in interview in the following address. Reporting time is 9 am. Interested candidates first register and you can attend walk-in interview. Next, job notification from KIML company viewers. They are hiring for different roles, associate special trainee positions, SSC, intermediate candidates can apply for this position. Degree pass or fail, you are eligible for this position. 200 vacancies are there, only female candidates are eligible. Next, operator and engineering positions, diploma mechanical, electrical, electronic candidates are eligible for this position. We had 50 vacancies, salary is 10,500 take home. Graduate engineering trainee positions, BTech EEE, ECE, mechanical candidates are eligible, only male candidates, 30 vacancies are there. Interview procedure includes technical round and HR round. Shift duties, SSC, general shift, diploma, general and night shift, graduate engineering trainee positions, general and night shift. Bonus, they will provide ESIC and EPFO. Interested candidates can register in the link which I am going to provide in description. Next job notification from Lee Pharma Limited. They are conducting recruitment drive on 15th March 2021. Reporting time is 9 am. They are hiring for production operator position. Intermediate candidates are eligible for this position. Only male candidates, 2014 to 17 passed outs. Salary is best in industry. We had 20 vacancies. Interested candidates can attend walk-in interview on 15th March. Minimum 2 years work experience is mandatory. I am going to provide all important links in description. Through link you can apply particular position if your profile is going to match. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. Thank you very much and all the best for your upcoming interviews. Please do subscribe Adira Job Creation YouTube channel, hit bell icon to receive all latest job updates time to time. Thank you.